Oh my god. Oh my god. I just did it. My dream. Woo. I'm not good enough. I almost get. I was trying to say I almost get caught by my parents. Because they hated me if I do that trick. Because the blood, your blood is gonna go in your brain. But it's kind of funny a little bit. Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la, okalelo, okalelo, naturito potamo, poco panto elefante, bombardino, crocodilo, spirulino, ululino. Like a golden bee, we dream and hurry. Marina Papochi, tra-la-la, tra-la-la, bombardilo, crocodilo, Marina Crocodilo, poi poi poi, la balu balu, tapu cappuccino. Ta-da! Look at my drawing. So I just voice reveal of myself. Why? Why did I voice reveal? This is my sister. Is right over here. Hi. But hey, baby, sabi mo hi. Hi. I hate birds. I say to this my pants. I just said who comment